Alright, so I'm going to do this pre-video breakdown of the pairs I'm looking at, kind of my predictions for the day or what I think may happen. So let's start off with the DXY. On the DXY, we're still getting that retracement leg, and we're looking to get our new higher low to ultimately push up. So, in order for that to happen, we need to get bearish market flow on the H4. So right now, we're getting, if I use Fibs, if I did something like that, maybe I think we just got the 27. So, but I mean, even without, if we look over here, we see we have this whole range to fill out, and it can either come here or come here. So, right now I'm looking for push back up to this level. Push back up to that level, then a drop, because we still have a lot of candles to breakout candles to fill. So that's what I'm looking for there, or either, yeah. I mean, I don't think it's gonna break this ceiling right here, or this level of resistance. So push up, then down. So with our other pairs, the EU, we're still looking to get this. We're still on our retracement leg, and we're still looking to get a new lower high. So it means we need bullish market flow to go up to create that on the H4. So if I look at this, I think this still has a ton of breakout candles to fill. So I think we're going to get a strong push out. It'll probably break this trend line. But yeah, we still, I think, have like 50 or so pips. But I think this will come back and drop to maybe here. Or if I look at like the H1, yeah. So I'm looking for this to trace down, then give us that push. I don't really know if we've got a trend line going. Let's see. Maybe something like that. Hit the trend line, then go up. That's what I'll be looking for today. EJ. Let's see, we're actually kind of getting it now. Excuse me. Looking for this to, well, I already have the arrow there, but come back down to this support zone and shoot up. As we can see on the daily, we're still getting our retracement leg of structure. We have not broke this lower high, so we're looking to get our next lower high, which it looks like it'll probably just be a retest of this lower high, and then we get our drop. So in order for that to happen, we are in bullish market flow, bullish momentum. So looking for buys. I want to see if this will come back down and retest. If I look on the H1, it's actually doing it right now. Come back and then shoot up. So just tighten this up a little bit more, and that'll give us our push up to ultimately hit this, give us this retest, or maybe touch this and then drop. I don't know. We'll see what happens. GU. We'll look on our daily. GU hit like, I want to say, weekly resistance, pretty much. I mean, so it'll be really interesting to see what happens right now, because this could have been a big head and inverted head and shoulders pattern. It's one shoulder, the head, and the other shoulder to push up, ultimately to maybe, I don't know, right here or so. So we'll see. It's a lot of bullish momentum here. So we will have to see. So I'll be looking for this to come back either here or maybe like here to get that next push up. So come down, which I actually I had an alert to take sales up at that zone. Give us that push. And this is all correlating with the DXY, or it could come right here. Just we'll have to see how it plays out. It could come right here and shoot up because we do have a lot of bullish momentum. So I will not be looking to take sales. For GJ, see on the daily. So on the daily, we just got that new higher high, so we do still have a lot of bullish momentum. So, and this hasn't actually hit anything. So, maybe tighten that up a little bit. Take that off. So I'm still looking for more of a bullish push because it broke this level. I think it's like stalling right here a little bit maybe. So it broke this level. So, yeah, it broke this level. So I'm looking for a retest and a push up. So to continue with that overall bullish momentum. So I'll either be looking for a couple things here, then push up, or here, then push up, or here, and then push up. All of this is going with confluence to the DXY, so let's see if I can get a better, yeah, so, I mean, if I'm looking at this now, I feel like it's gonna go about right there. It didn't give us another push. But obviously trade what you see. So let's see if I can get any kind of trend line going right here. Yeah, we'll see if that holds up. Yeah, heavy momentum, bullish. So I don't even know what's stopping it. What is actually stopping this right now? This. That little area. So I think that'll just, I mean, allow it to create a new higher low on the H4 to give us that push up. UCAD. So if we look on our daily, we did break this level, so we got our first high, and now we're looking to get a higher low. So we're looking to kind of create our continuation leg instruction. So with that being said, I would need this to break here, come down and retest. But to get back in on buys, I think it's probably gonna get up here, then pull back, then go to the next or ultimately come all the way back down. AU. If we look on our daily, we're in a really interesting place. Like, I don't know if this was an overshoot or if this was a break. That's my only thing. So like, I don't know if this was just a full retest basically, and this is just a tested level, which I think it is. So I'm looking for this bullish push up, but right now we're coming down, and I think it may come, we may see something like there, then give us a push up to, I don't really know where. So I'll just keep an eye on this one. I don't know if I'm really gonna trade it or not. And NU's moving like molasses. I know it's definitely bullish. The first target would be somewhere like right here. Second target here. So with that being said, I know we are getting that, we got that continuation leg, and I'm just looking for, there's a lot of bullish momentum. I'm just looking for this to kind of come down and maybe come right here. And give me that push up. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. So that's what I'm looking for on all the pairs. So we'll see how it goes. I'll check back in this evening and see how we did.